My name is Kirrie Roberts. I work for Ambition North Wales and I'm the Digital Connectivity Project Manager. I got where I am today by the kind of normal school route. From secondary school, went on to do my A-levels and then I went to university. At university, I studied a sports science degree. I think as I kind of progressed in that career, I decided that it wasn't for me. And then I ended up going into a project management role within an expedition company and then ultimately moved on to the public sector, to Ambition North Wales, to where I am now. My favourite thing about Ambition North Wales is the fact that all of the projects and the programmes that we are trying to deliver are going to be worthwhile in North Wales. I think that they're going to have a really huge impact to the communities that we live in, and it'll kind of power North Wales through at the forefront. And I think that for young people, that's really important to know that there will be jobs available in North Wales in the future. I chose to stay in North Wales to work, although I am a traveller. I travel around the world, I love it. But every time I've travelled away, I've always had something that draws you back. The Welsh word for that would be hiraeth. There's something there in North Wales that always brings you back. Maybe it is the community, the people, the area, but I just love North Wales. The top skills that you need to do this job well is the ability to be able to communicate with everyone and anyone. You can be talking to the general public one day and then the next day you can be talking to the governments. So there is a level of communication that's needed to be able to talk with everyone, and the ability to be able to talk in simple terms and then be a bit more formal at times. Secondly, to be a project manager, you absolutely have to be organised. And then I think you've got to be confident in yourself. If you're not confident in yourself and your ability to deliver a project or be able to take it from initial starting stages to kind of that end delivery phase, then it's just not for you. There's huge opportunities within the public sector to develop in terms of your own personal development and training-wise. Through the public sector, I got my official project management qualification, and also I had the opportunity to develop my Welsh language skills further. So I think that that is a huge benefit of working in the public sector, is that opportunity to progress your own development, which is great, especially for young people getting into work straight after they finish university or college or their apprenticeship. So I think that that is also a really good aspect of working in the public sector.